First, we will see for positive number. The unquantized positive number is in the range 1 into 2 raised to minus b to 2 into 2 raised to minus b, which will be truncated to 1 into 2 raised to minus b. Now we can say that here minimum error is equal to 1 into 2 raised to minus b minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b, that will give us minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b. The maximum error will be 1 into 2 raised to minus b minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b, that would be 0. So let us see the range. It will be minus 2 raised to minus b and it will tend to 0. The second case is sign magnitude and 1's complement number. So unquantized negative number will be in the range of minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b, that can be truncated into minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b. So in this case the minimum error will be minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b, that will again be 0. Maximum error is minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b minus of minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b, that will give us 2 raised to minus b, and the range of error will be 0 to 2 raised to minus b. Now we will take the third case, that is the 2's complement negative number. So again the range will be minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b to minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b, that will give us, when truncated, minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b. So minimum error is minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b minus 1 into 2 raised to minus b, that is minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b. Maximum error is equal to minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b minus of minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b, that is 0. So range of error will be minus 2 into 2 raised to minus b to 0. Now range of errors are different, obviously, for different number representations. So the truncation of positive number results in a number that is smaller than unquantized number. Hence the truncation error is always negative when positive number is truncated. For the truncation of negative numbers which are represented in signs magnitude and 1's complement format, the error is always positive because the truncation reduces the magnitude of the number. And finally, in the 2's complement representation, the effect of the truncation on a negative number is to increase the magnitude of the negative number. So the truncation error will be always negative. In the floating point representation, the mantissa of the number alone is truncated. The truncation error in floating point number is proportional to the number being quantized. So let us say that NF represents unquantized floating point number and NTF represents as truncated floating point number. So we can say that NTF, that is truncated floating point number, is equivalent to NF plus NT into eta t. Here this term represents relative error. The relative error due to truncation is represented as NTF minus NF divided by NF.